body of Surya Namaskar.
Right.
Okay, come to step 2. Yes, from here you will inhale and take one leg behind and hold this posture. So as you can see, our behind leg is fully lengthened and straight, so which is keeping her muscles fully active. This left leg is in line with the feet and it's in align properly with the hands. So this is one way of doing step 3. The other way is what you can do. You can bend your knee. You can and you can place your feet down like this. So this is also one way of doing third step.
This gives a little more scope to lengthen your upper body.
Yes, this gives a more scope for lengthening of your upper body. And in the other step, when you just raise your knees, this keep your leg muscles active over here. Come to second posture. Okay, come on. Now we will show you the modification for the people who are suffering with back issues, how they can do this posture. So you can take the block. Come into second posture. Here. From there, take one leg behind and this. So since they are getting a good height and elevation over here, this will not put up pressure on their back and they can go to this posture very easily. Okay, come again. Keep the blocks. Okay, so here now we will show the common mistake which people generally do while doing this step.
Right.
So come in second posture. The first mistake what people generally do is they place their hand in front of the leg. Now take one leg behind. So you can see what happens. If you place your hand in front, what happens? This knee is crossing your feet. So this is putting an extra pressure on the knee. So people who are having a knee issue, this can aggravate their pain. Further, the posture, the weight of the body is on your hand. So this is putting extra pressure on the hand. So how you can correct it? So what you can do, place your knee down, take this leg, take the help of your hand, take this leg in line with your hands, yes, in between the hands, and now go to posture. So yes, bend a little bit, yes. So this is how you need to do the third portion. Okay, come on. Okay, so Hidal will show them one more time. Go to second posture. Inhale. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax.
So thank you very much for watching this video. The key points that we have to remember here is that always make sure that your leg, your feet is placed in between the hands. That will automatically give a correct alignment. The feet that you take behind, let it be as much as stretched as possible. Also we showed you how you can take the help of the blocks and use as much support as possible whenever you try to do any pose. Do not get into any discomfortable position.
Okay.
Thank you very much. And please